Hi, it's Kerry. Lots of fun on the farm today. David's feeding the alpaca. And Sarah's feeding the little one, the cria. We've got some nice rabbits today. Subscribe and give a thumbs up if you like farm animals. The nab strapper foal is getting a special treat. These are the Ankle-Watusi family. Can you tell me how many babies is the mother swan carrying on her back? And now my black and white cows. Let's feed the cows now. Matt will attend to that. We're expecting a lot of visitors today, so we have to keep the farm neat and tidy. We are doing a special display of pigs today. There's going to be lots and lots of pigs. And here's another load of pigs. This is going to be so much fun. And now the mother swan with her 3 babies. Babies are called cygnets. Oh wow! Next to arrive are the alpacas and a couple of roosters. David likes to feed the alpaca. Sarah's going to feed the baby. It's called a cria. We've got new rabbit hutches arriving and some rabbits. Baby bunnies are so adorable. David's going to feed them some carrots. And here we have some chickens. The nab strapper mare and her foal are arriving. This brown one is a mule. David helps the foal in. And here's some food with some extra treats. David has a special treat for the young foal. The Nagstrapper mare, such a beautiful horse. A mule is the offspring of a male donkey and a female horse. We have lots of visitors today, which is really good. The farm animals have been enjoying all the attention as well. Thank you for watching my video. Please share my videos with your friends. See you again soon.